Okay, I know that I've asked some of you and required of others to create a blog on u.osu.edu. So now I'm going to walk you through how to do it because there seems to be just a little bit of confusion. So let's wipe that away. So the first thing you need to do is to go to this web address, u.osu.edu, and you're going to come up on something that looks like this interface. Then you're going to go over here to the right-hand side of the page, the upper right, and you're going to click on Sign Up. Now when you click on Sign Up, it's going to take you to a screen that will enable you to sign in with your OSU credentials. I'm going to put always allow in this case. So it's going to populate with my OSU credentials. The first time you do it, you're going to have to sign in. After that, it will populate just like Carmen does. So we'll fill this in and we'll click Login. And it comes to this area, which is called the dashboard. This is actually the back end of your blog. So you can see there's a lot of different things that you can do here. You can post, you can put in media, you can have links, pages. I'll actually take some time in our classes to go through exactly how this works. This is very similar to WordPress, so if you use WordPress, it's almost exactly the same. For those people who are not as familiar, then we'll do a little step-by-step instruction on that. But right now, what I'd like you to do is just see what your blog looks like. So go up here to this little house and you'll see Visit Site. We'll click on that. And this shows you what the blog will look like. So this is one of 3 templates that we're able to use through u.osu.edu. You can see I've made just a post. I'm looking forward to seeing all my students blogging at this place. You can also over here have what's called a widget so people can subscribe to your blog. I'd like to be able to do that. So I want to make sure that you add that. So let's go up here to the little house again. We're going to click on Dashboard. And we're going to see these are ways that you can change your appearance of your blog. So over here, if we click Appearance, we're going to go to Themes. You actually have 3 different blog types that you can use. Over here, also under Appearance, we have what are called widgets. Widgets will enable you to add subscribing by email, different comments, and you can add and subtract these. So say I don't really want to leave the comments up here, I'm going to click on it, I'm going to hit delete, but say I do want to have my links show up. So I'm going to grab links over here, I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to put it in there. So you have a lot of different options in terms of how to customize this blog in a way that will be helpful to you. One thing that will be extremely helpful is for you to create different blogs. So for your class, if you're in COM 2221 or COM 3404, I'd like for you to create a blog just for that class. And so you can have your main page for yourself and build a brand identity. Now to do that, to build multiple blogs, we're going to go over here, we're going to actually click where it says Dashboard. We hover over that and we see it says My Sites. So let's go down to that. And on My Sites, it gives us this option right here to create a new site. I'm going to click on that. Now I can actually create a new page. So I might type in here COM 2221, and I might decide I'm going to call this Nicole Crafts COM 2221. Too many twos. Page. And I can put it in English. Now I have the option of making this public, blocking it from search engines, visitors having to have a logon. So the option is yours. If you'd like to make it public, that's great, but you may also decide you want to do just only registered users of this site can have access. And so you can do that, but then you're going to need to invite me to be a user on your site, and I'll actually show you in another video how to do that. So let's just do that for now. We're going to click Create Site. Oh, that site already exists, so that means someone else has taken it. How about we call it CraftCom 2221? So we're going to go Create Site, and now we have it. So Nicole Crafts COM 2221 page is mine. So I hope this helps you kind of get started, and I look forward to working with you more on u.osu.edu.